If you lack expertise in crafting animations but aspire to create videos of this nature, there's a solution. In today's age of artificial intelligence, almost anything is attainable. With AI's assistance, you can generate animations like this one within a mere 5 minutes. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of crafting a 3D animated love story using AI. So without further delay, let's dive right in. To begin, we must create a story using AI. We need a captivating love story to bring our video to life, and for this task, I'll enlist the help of our trusted chatbot, GPT. Once on GPT, simply input your request, ensuring it includes story details. For instance, my prompt might be, provide me with a brief love story filled with emotions, sadness, heartbreak, and a happy ending. Additionally, I included this line after the prompt, I intend to create a YouTube video from this. Please provide image ideas for each scene to aid in visual generation. Once you've entered your prompt, press the enter button and your story, complete with visual suggestions, will be ready. We'll use these visuals or image suggestions to generate images. To generate images, we'll employ a free text-to-image generation tool known as Leonardo AI. When you visit Leonardo AI, you'll need to select a featured model. Given that we're crafting a 3D animation video, I'll choose the 3D animation style as my featured model. After selecting the model, click on Generate with this model. Next, adjust the aspect ratio to match your intended video platform, 16:9 for YouTube or 1:1 for social media. Now return to ChatGPT and copy the first image suggestion, pasting it into Leonardo's prompt box. I also recommend using the narration text as a prompt to assist Leonardo in generating related images. After entering the prompt, click the Generate button. Voila! Our first image has been generated. Proceed to download the image to your device and generate images for all the scenes recommended by ChatGPT in the same manner. I will render the next scenes quickly so as not to waste your time. Once all our visuals are created, our next step is to create the audio to accompany the story. I will use 11 Labs to do this. Alternatively, you can use your own voice or other voice creation services. When you enter 11 Labs, create a new account, which you can do using your Google account or your email address. Once you have created your account, click on Speech Synthesis. I'm going to use Dorothy's voice for the storytelling. Next, return to ChatGPT. Copy the story portion, excluding image suggestions, and paste it into 11's text box. Repeat this process for all parts in the story. Once done, click the play button to initiate the voice generation process and subsequently export the audio. Unfortunately, I won't play the voice I created. Sorry, I don't want to give spoilers. Now that we have our images and audio, let's proceed to generate animations. For this, I'll employ Pika Labs, a free image-to-video generation tool. Upon visiting their website, click on Join Beta. You'll need a Discord account to use PABs. After accepting the invitation, review Pika Labs' rules and regulations for video generation. We need to join one of the narrator channels by Pika Labs. Upon joining a generator channel, access the message box and input /create, then click +1 more. You'll then need to upload one of the images generated by Leonardo. After uploading the image, input a prompt into the prompt box, simply using Love Story. Then hit the Enter button. The video generation process may take some time, but you'll find your video highlighted once it's ready. Great! Our first video is complete. Let's play it. Though the video is only 3 seconds long, it looks impressive. I'll also share a technique later on to extend the video's length. Download the video to your device and repeat the same process for all other images. I'm going through this step quickly so as not to waste your time. By the way, as of today, our community has 500 people. I am grateful for that. Your subscribing to me and liking my videos motivates me to create more videos. Thanks a lot. Now that we have all the videos and audios ready, our next step is to edit them and put together the full animation video. You can use any video editing software. I will use Adobe Premiere. I'm going to speed up this tedious part, but it's very simple. After opening Adobe or the editor of your choice, import all the video clips and audio. Select the audio file and add it to the timeline. Next, add the first video clip. Set the speed of the video clips to sync with the audio and customize the speed as needed. Add the remaining footage in a similar way. You can also add transitions and effects to enhance the appeal of the video. When editing is complete, export the video. It's amazing! Our last video is ready. Let's enjoy it. Before that, I must say that I had a lot of fun making this animation video. I hope you had fun too. Thank you, dear friends, for joining me on this journey of creating animation with the help of artificial intelligence. I would love to hear your experiences and results in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy creation. Let's take a look at the masterpiece we created.
Once upon a time, in a quaint town, Lily and Mark met in a beautiful park. Their eyes locked and their hearts skipped a beat. love blossomed like the flowers around them. As the seasons changed, so did their love. They shared countless moments, deep conversations, and stolen kisses. Their hearts grew closer with each passing day. But even the strongest love can face storms. One rainy evening, a misunderstanding led to a heated argument. Tears flowed, and they went their separate ways, their hearts heavy with sadness. Months went by, and the pain of separation weighed heavily on both of them. Loneliness and heartbreak became their constant companions. Each day felt like a never-ending winter. One fateful day, as autumn returned to the park, they found themselves there at the same time, neither able to forget the love they once shared. Their eyes met, and a glimmer of hope sparked in their hearts. As they reconnected, they realized the depth of their love and the mistakes they had made. They forgave each other, and their love rekindled, stronger and more resilient than before. Under the same cherry blossom tree where their love had bloomed, they shared a passionate kiss, symbolizing their renewed commitment to each other. Years later, Lily and Mark stood together, stronger and more in love than ever. They had weathered the storms of life and learned that love, when nurtured, can overcome even the darkest of times.